Hi there, this is Dianne Hanks, and I am here with another roller set. I feel like there's just no end to different combinations, and I also set up a little mirror behind me so that you could watch the back also as I take these out. It's been a lot of fun to think about how many different ways there are to roll your hair and to take it out and to really see the different results. So I'm going to go ahead and with no further ado, I will take this out. I'll let you see how I rolled it. What's different about this one is I did two little layers of these little tiny ones here. I rolled them up instead of down, and I didn't do the little spiral. I did that back here. But I'm going to see how this turns out, and I hope you enjoy this with me. Okay. Once I get these little side ones out, it makes it a whole lot easier because these are the ones that tend to stick. But I think I'm getting it down how to make it so it doesn't do that. That's helpful, isn't it? I can see that back there. I notice as I take them out, I do a lot of like fingering and sort of manipulating. I could take some of this and wrap that a little bit here. But this is a good base for a hairstyle. I can also take this and put it up in a ponytail like that. You see that in the back there? Or I can take portions of it and do half up and half down. And that'll give it a lovely cascading look on the back. Like that. It's a pretty barrette. So there you go. Thanks for joining me. I'm Dianne Hanks.